Hello, good morning my dear friends and my dear students. Okay, in previous video I have discussed about the recycle bin. Look here, recycle bin take the 10% of C drive space. You are looking here, I have clicked on the recycle bin and I want to show you the property of the recycle bin that will. You are looking here, C drive इतने GB है और उसका the customized size. You are looking here used by the setting for selected location. इसके लिए इतने C ड्राइव के लिए इतना स्पेस जो डेटा वहाँ से डिलीट होगा C ड्राइव से, that will be stored in recycle bin using these space. Okay, max. And for you are looking D drive, as you select the D drive, here is given the space of D drive. Okay, don't move file to recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. If you click on this option, your deleted file will not move in the recycle bin. Suppose you select this option, then your file and folder, deleted file and folder will not be placed in, will placed in the recycle bin. Okay, so this is the default setting that we are here using. And if you want to increase the size of C drive to store the deleted file and folder in recycle bin, then you can change here this one. Okay, and then it will increase the memory space for the deleted file and folder of C drive. Okay, this is the setting portion. Okay, come to the next portion, that is copying and moving file and folder from one place to another place. As you are looking here, one folder, I want to move this folder from the desktop to the D drive of my computer. Then you have to right click and then you will get the option cut. For the moving, you have to use the cut option and go to your drive, computer. You can also move from here also. Computer, D drive, double click and you can paste, right click and paste. You will see the folder is here, and now you can see the folder is not here. As you are looking on the desktop, that folder has been removed from its original location because I have moved that folder using the cut option to the desktop to D drive of computer. Okay, again if you want to cut it, then you have to use the right click of mouse button and select the cut option from the pop-up list. This is known as pop-up list that gives you the options. Okay, cut here and again come to the page desktop screen, minimize the screen and desktop पर आइए and you right click and click on the paste option. In this way you can move the file and folder both. And after this, suppose you want to make the copy, one copy should be here and one copy should be in the D drive. Then we have to again right click and select the copy option from the pop-up list and click the copy option, you are looking, this folder is here also. And now you have to go to your drive and right click and paste. Now you are looking here, same folder is here, and in D drive that folder is here, and inside of the folder both file also. And you are looking here, both file also inside the folder. Okay, in this way you can make the duplicate of any folder by using the copying option, and the both location should be the same file and folder. Okay, in this way you can do, and by the keyboard shortcut you can do this option. You can do this by using the keyboard shortcut too, like this. Suppose I have here made this folder and I want to copy. Okay, select the folder, click on the Ctrl plus X, it will cut the folder, and you go to the destination where you want to paste the folder. Suppose I want to paste the folder here, C drive. Then again go to the keyboard. You are looking, this is my virtual keyboard. You can use the keyboard of laptop, not virtual keyboard. Okay, both key you have to press at once, then you will see the folder will be pasted, and the location of that folder from the desktop had been removed. That folder has been removed from the desktop. Now you are looking here, again I want to make the copy, then this folder is here, and you have to select the folder. If you have not click on the folder and select the Control and C letter at once. It makes the copy and store the copied data always in the computer's clipboard memory. Which memory? Clipboard memory. Always remember, children, the cut and copy data has been stored in the computer's clipboard memory. Okay, and come to the paste option. Again use the Control and V letter for the both key you have to press at once. Firstly hold the Control key, then press the V letter from keyboard. Then you will see here is also that folder, and from where you have copied that location also. Okay, both place the same folder you can see. Now this is the copying and moving the files and folder. Okay children, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you once again.